been a while since we've done a Friday wrap-up or weekly wrap-up video, so I figured we'd kind of go over what's going on in the shop and let you guys see what we're working on, because we got quite a few projects going on. So, as you might be able to tell, shop cars in here. We're getting ready to go racing this weekend. Going up to Central Illinois Speedway for Central Illinois Shootout. We're running our limited 28 class, so that'll be pretty fun. Get on a real prep track. All we've raced this year, the only prep tracks we've been on is Rocky Mountain Raceway, so kind of gonna go up there, use this kind of test session, see what happens. So that's that for this weekend. The first project you have is SN95. So just a 850 cage. I'm working on getting the D-bars in there. Car is welded up other than the D-bars and the down bars. So those are pretty much ready to throw in there. Just got to put the base plates on and go from there. So he had us do a 850 cage, as you can kind of see. Mounted seats on both sides, and he has full containment seats, so a little bit of a challenge. That's why these bars have this low slung area here, still between the shoulder and the elbow, so still a legal cage, just a little challenging to get it there. So over here, got Gavin working on a floor structure that's being sent out with a cage kit. He's welding it up right now, putting the spicy welds on it. Yeah, like I said, this one's going for a cage kit. It'll be, we'll ship it out just like that. That way you have a nice flat surface to start from. Floor structure is probably the most challenging thing to get right without having, floor structure that's all out of whack. So this way it's welded on our jig, and you have a base cage to start from. Mark is working on Zach's car right now. He's getting the K-member. So the K-member is still removable, but we tie it all back together. So he's working on that right now. As you can tell, the K-member's out. So this is how the front is connected currently. So it's hooked up to these, and then those two bars there will be connected back to the K-member. So it'll all kind of be a one-piece stock suspension type deal. So Zach's car is coming along. We got the inside cage done. You guys probably saw that a little while ago. Finally getting back on this one. Brian's car is about to leave Monday. So this one, Mark just finished this one up yesterday. Got it all buttoned back together. Got all the carbon in there. So it's looking pretty good. Can't wait to see this one finished, because it'll be pretty nice. So kind of how we have the shop car laid out. We really liked how it was done. So a few changes to the tunnel, stuff like that, stuff we've improved on and like doing better. We made this panel removable. That way you could service the trans a little easier. The shop car's a little tough with just that top piece. It's a challenge to get down in there and work on the dump valves and sensors and stuff, but other than that, kind of the same style design that we liked. So, but this one turned out really cool. I wish we could not paint it and just clear it all, because it looks really good. But all the carbon's in there. I got this tire off because I'm plotting out the rear suspension for him, so he has somewhere to start. But just Cleco's holding it in there, and then we made these based off our Rocky Mountain Race Week experience, because rocks are getting caught in the rocker area, like right on top, right where this little divot is. It goes all the way forward. Rocks are just sitting there and flying back at the wheels. So we made these little deflectors. That way rocks don't get caught. And then we put the panel on the back side. On the shop car, it's on the front side, but it's getting rocks caught between the number 1 bar and the carbon, doing the same thing. So just little things that we've noticed that we're changing. But other than that, it's pretty much the same. Just like I said, a few more changes. This has our standard brackets on the front, same brackets that we use for our 4-link stuff. And then this one's a small block Ford setup. Got the fire tabs. This one's kind of pointed at the fuel rails, and those are kind of pointed at the lower oil pan area. And then we got the interior ones. One right there, one under the column, one over there. And I'm not sure where Mark put the other one. It's in there. It's in there somewhere. And then it's got our master cylinder set up with a pedal. So this one's looking good. This one is done leaving Monday. And then over here, it's a little madness right now. We got doors put on the shop car, fuel for the shop car and Samson's car, and cage kit's going out. I think Andrew's over here putting some stuff together.
Organizing.
I guess you're the inventory guy today.
Yep, today.
It's a quick walk around to the shop. We haven't done that in a while, so hopefully you guys enjoy that a little. Hopefully we can do some more of those and show you guys what we're working on.